Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we will take a look at the latest news about the rate hike, something about Ethereum, even more about the merge, and also many more. Okay, then let's start with the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at 23,654, Ethereum over 1700, BNB 274, XRP 36 cents, Cardano 51 cents, Solana $41 Doge at 6, Polygon at 91, Avalanche at 24. Okay, the largest movers in the last 24 hours are Lido with 48, Synthetics 43%, ETC with 37%, and Uniswap with 35%. And the largest losers are no one. In the last 7 days, the biggest gainers are Lido, Ethereum Classic, Synthetics, Bitcoin Gold, Quantum, and Uniswap. The largest losers are Huobi with 5%, USTC with 3%, and AMP with 2%. The crypto market sentiment is completely bullish. We have a 9.35% increase over the last day. Just fabulous. Let's see what happened. Before we start into the video, if you think the video will be of help and use to you and you have enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. Bullish rate hike. Why crypto spiked today in the face of a bad news? The Fed's attempts to reel inflation in by increasing interest rates are usually associated with a pullback of investment activity across markets. The cryptocurrency markets have been pumping since the announcement of a 75 basis point interest rate hike in the United States, with experts explaining that the markets may have been initially bracing for much worse. On July 27th, the price of Bitcoin surged to around 8% to the mid of 22,500 mark. Many other top crypto assets surged in price as well, with Ether, Polkadot, and Polygon all seeing notable double-digit gains over the past 24 hours. Speaking with Cointelegraph, Greenspan noted that investors were clearly expecting worse and suggested this latest bounce is nothing out of the ordinary. Markets love gaining up on Fed days, even when the decision is to be tough. Powell is particularly skilled at delivering bad news. Clearly, investors were expecting worse. Okay, the crypto market adds about 100 billion following the Fed's 75 basis points rate hike. Unlike the previous Fed interest hikes, Bitcoin went on a roll this time, adding over $2,000 in hours to set a new weekly high. The altcoins are also well in the green on a daily scale, with ETH soaring above 1600 and more massive gains from the likes of Polkadot, ETC, Uni, and others. Price fluctuations indeed came, but, unlike some previous examples, actually brought gains for the primary cryptocurrency. Bitcoin spiked almost immediately to 22,000 and continued upwards to a 6-day high of over 23,000 registered a few hours ago. Somewhat expectedly, this led to a 400 million worth of liquidations. Since that local peak, though, BTC has lost some ground and now trades just under 23,000. This changed, you saw it in the market watch. Its market cap has surged to 440 billion. As you can see in the last day at July 27th, more than 24 hours ago, we have risen from 2,500 bottom to about 23,450, 500, and now we already are back up there. Oops. Okay. Ethereum dev confirms Jurly merger date, the final update before the merge. The Jurly merger requires node operators to update both the consensus layer and execution layer clients in tandem, rather than just one of the two. The Ethereum mainnet is just one testnet merger away from officially transitioning to a proof-of-stake blockchain. After multiple shadow forks and testnet mergers, the years-long journey has reached the final stage with the announcement of the final testnet merge to the beacon chain. However, due to the numerous delays and unfinished work on the developer's end, it is expected to be completed by the 3rd week of September. The final phase of the transition is slated to be completed by late 2023. we are getting the merge. The merge is almost here, and in 1 year's time or 1.5 years, the merge is completely done with all 5 phases completely developed and included. Nice. I'm hyped. I'm absolutely hyped. So now, experts yet to explain the massive spike in ETH active addresses. The sudden dramatic spike in active ETH addresses on the network has left many guessing about the cause. On-chain metrics firm Sentiment says it is still investigating the cause of a sudden surge of Ether active addresses, which have eclipsed the previous all-time high by a whopping 48%. On Wednesday, the analytics firm tweeted that the number of daily active addresses on Ethereum had suddenly spiked to 1.06 million, shattering the previous high of 718,000 set back in 2018. Crypto adoption is happening more than ever. However, Sentiment says its team is still investigating the cause of the spike. Sentiment tweeted, Ethereum shattered records Tuesday after an incredible surge in address activity broke its all-time high by a wide margin. 1.06 million ETH addresses made transactions, and the team is still investigating the cause of the 48% increase over the previous record. As you can see here was the old all-time high with about 718,000, and now, bam! 1.06 million. Just insane. Ethereum merge narrative not priced in, Vitalik Buterin said. Vitalik Buterin has said that the narrative surrounding Ethereum's merge to proof of stake will only start to gain momentum once the update actually happens. What are the key takeaways? Vitalik Buterin has said that Ethereum's upcoming proof of stake update is not priced in from a narrative perspective in a Bankless interview. He added that the broader Ethereum ecosystem has seen notable developments in the race to scale the network. Though he didn't comment on specific dates, he also said that the merge does actually need to happen on a timetable. Now to some interesting news about SEC and its Ripple case. SEC versus Ripple. Battle ensues. General Counsel for XRP says regulator is bullying the crypto market. General Counsel for Ripple, Stuart Alderety, has stated in an opinion piece that the US Securities and Exchange Commission is bullying the cryptocurrency markets by filing unproven allegations masquerading as regulations. Mr. Alderety has called for an urgent need for sensible legislation to come from Washington. Unproven allegations masquerading as regulations is bad policy that hurts consumers and markets who are whipsawed by the whims of an unchecked regulator. As a result, American innovation and the jobs created are fleeing the US. There is an urgent need from Washington for clear regulation. That the SEC is bullying the crypto market is nothing new. Whereas even more people are seeing the shenanigans the SEC is doing with especially Ripple right now, we need clear regulation soon with great information behind it, and we need it fast. So now to Metaverse. The Metaverse real estate is to see 5 billion investment in the next 4 years. The Metaverse is being gradually built out in order to cater for a future in which the user can enter and purchase all kinds of services. Land parcels and the infrastructure upon them is going to be in high demand. Therefore, the investments have already started and a lot more is about to follow. A recent study by global market research company Technavio forecasts exponential growth in Metaverse real estate and estimates that the value invested into the sector will grow to more than 5 billion by 2026. One of the major challenges cited by Technavio is that of prices of real estate in the Metaverse. There are currently huge fluctuations in price as purchasers take into account the scarcity and location of the land, plus the perception the purchaser has as to the long or short-term resale value. Now to some Coinbase news. Coinbase SEC investigation could have serious and chilling effects, says the lawyer. Michaela Bakina, an Australian digital assets lawyer, told Cointelegraph that the investigation could see a far-reaching impact on crypto exchanges and the token projects involved. An investigation reportedly launched by the Securities and Exchange Commission into Coinbase's alleged trading of unregistered securities could have a serious and chilling effect on crypto exchanges and token projects, according to a legal expert. Given many of the tokens the SEC has called securities in the insider trading prosecution are listed and trading on Coinbase and other exchanges, this investigation could have a serious and chilling effect for both those exchanges and the token projects, whether or not an ultimate finding is the tokens are or are not securities. Now to the last news of today. The UK National Crime Agency seizes £33 million in cryptocurrency. The British National Crime Agency (NCA) has revealed that it has seized £26.894 million in cryptocurrency. Criminals increasingly exploited financial technology and crypto assets that could harm the UK's economy and institutions, said the agency. The report details that between April 1, 2021 and March 31, 2022, the NCA seized property worth of £60 million. Okay, these were all the news today. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. Also, subscribe a tiny bit. Have a wonderful day and also do your best and enjoy the market times right now. We will see us in the next video. Peace.